everyone. So I am excited to talk about getting our feet ready for summer, and I'm going to demo 2 awesome items that I have just in time for summer. You need these in your summer arsenal. So if you can see my feet, you can see that they're getting a little bit cracked around the edges. It's getting warm out. So first, I would usually do this in the bathtub. I'm going to take my body cloth or take my, just get my foot wet so that it's prepared, ready for this. So you just want it to get damp. Then you're going to take the Footstone, and with the Footstone, you're just going to rub in any areas that have extra dead skin or kind of rough. I have the Norwex sheets, and sometimes I can definitely tell when my feet need a little bit of extra scrubbing. So you can do this with the Footstone right here on your heels. You can use this also up here on your feet and other places on your toes, stuff like that if you need to. So just get a good little rub going on there. Then I just rinse them off if I'm in the shower, or I'll use my body cloth right now and just go ahead and wipe it off. And if you guys have any tips or tricks for keeping your feet nice in the summer, please post them. Then I like to use my Body Balm. So this Body Balm, it smells so good. It's like a light citrus minty smell, and it pushes up from the bottom. So I can push it down, you use the bottom, you push up. And then every day after my shower and at night before I go to bed, I just apply this Body Balm to the bottoms of my feet before I climb into bed. This is also great because I will also apply it to my skin on the areas that tend to get dry, sometimes on my legs, sometimes the tops of my feet, sometimes on my arms. And the convenient stuff about this is it just rubs right on. So it's really simple, it rubs right on. You don't have to rub it in, you don't have to do anything extra. You're gonna smell awesome after you put it on. It's completely natural, of course. It doesn't have anything bad in it. Oh no, we fell over even though we were live. All right, there we go. Set us back up here. Okay, so the ingredients: sunflower seed oil, some beeswax, castor oil, orange peel oil, spearmint, shea butter. Okay, that's what's in here. So it's completely natural. Like I said, you just rub it on, and that's it. No greasy feelings, nothing on your hands. It's very easy. You can toss in your purse. You can keep it by your bed. You might want to have a couple of these in your stock just so that you can use it lots. It's also great in the winter for that dry skin as well. So good all year round. The Body Balm and the Footstone. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.